Well, I have created my character, Mom, and I am ready to build my first dialogue page. Many of you have seen a dialogue page. A dialogue page usually shows up on the right-hand side of your screen, and it has the character's name, and it has some text that the character is saying. And then here is the player's response. This is what the player will click on. And sometimes when you click on this, it will just close the page, and sometimes it will bring you to a new dialogue page from Mom. Well, we're going to build a very simple dialogue page that will just give us text and close out the page when we're done. So notice that I'm in Stories. I'm in the Stories tab, and here's my story, Finding Old Man Smith's Dog. And I clicked on that folder, and that showed me that I have one actor, Mom, but I do not have any responses. So I want to change that. I want to edit that so that I now have a response. You can do this in one of two ways. We could click Create Dialogue Page. We'll do that in our next video. But for now, I'm going to move my cursor to the right and click on the pencil. The pencil will let me change Mom's character so that she has something to say. So here is my page, and you can see my character Mom and my description. And here you will see that I can put in what Mom says to the player. Yours might say story point. Mine says response. But I'm going to click on story point or response to add what Mom will say to the character, to the player. Now the easiest way to do this is you can see when I clicked Add Response or Story Point, it asks me if I want to create a new dialogue page. You want to come down to the bottom and click Update Actor. And when you click that, look what happened. This changed from Create Dialogue Page to a new dialogue page that it created. But I didn't write anything. So I better come here to click this pencil, better edit it, and here is the page that I want to put in what Mom is going to say. Now, for my designer title, you want to give this a title that makes sense for you. I'm going to call mine Mom Setup. Now here is where I can put the name of my character. And we all know what I'm calling my character or my actor. It's Mom. Okay. Now this is the section, the page content. This is the section where I'm going to put down, I'm going to write in or copy and paste in what Mom is going to say. And in my case, Mom is going to say, I could have sworn we had some leftover steak in the fridge. Do you know what happened to it? I might even put a few quotation marks in. That way it really sounds like Mom's talking. So this is what Mom is going to say to the player. But we need to put in what the player is going to say back to Mom. How can the player respond? So in this case, I'm going to add a response. And here I want to type in or copy and paste in what my player will say back. Now remember, the message in my story is I want my player to learn about being honest. So at first I'm going to have my character lie. My player is going to lie. So I'm going to put in, no, I didn't see it. Sorry, gotta run. I'm going to go play in the playhouse. Now all I want this page to do is to close, because my next scene will actually begin with the dog talking. So I have everything I need. I've given my page a title. I've put in the Mom's name in the header section, what she says, and what my player is going to respond back to her. And if I click on this arrow, this is going to tell the computer or tell your project what to do if a player clicks on this link. And I think I'm going to select Close Window, Go Home. What Close Window, Go Home means is that when they click this link, it will show them their cue pod. That's just what I want to happen. So I think I'm ready. I'm going to click Save. You can see up here that it tells me that it's saved. And then let's look at our page. Come all the way up to this right-hand corner, and do you see this button that says See Page? Let's look at what our page looks like. If I click on that link, it will show me my page. And here it is, Mom's name, the dialogue I put in, and here's the link. And if I click on this, it would send me back to the QPod. So you have just created your first dialogue page. Congratulations! The next time we'll create a more complicated one that will link to a new dialogue page. I think you're ready, so let's check out the next video.